All right, welcome to part two. From here on, we are walking phase by phase through the gait cycle, specifically from the trunk and pelvis perspective. Initial contact, again also known as heel strike. The trunk is upright with minimal rotation. The pelvis is slightly forward rotated on the side of contact. Erector spinae stabilize the trunk. Gluteus medius prepares to control pelvic drop, and the abdominals stabilize the lumbar spine. Preparation for load is just as important as load acceptance. During loading response, the trunk maintains upright posture with a slight lateral shift towards the stance limb. The pelvis begins controlled drop on the swing side. Gluteus medius works eccentrically to prevent excessive pelvic drop. Quadratus lumborum assists, and the erector spinae limit forward trunk flexion. And just note something clinically, this is where Trendelenburg patterns first emerge. Mid-stance is the most demanding phase for trunk and pelvic control. The center of mass is directly over the stance limb. The pelvis should be level and the trunk upright with minimal lean. Gluteus medius and minimus maintain pelvic stability. Ipsilateral erector spinae prevent trunk collapse. Poor mid-stance control predicts reduced walking tolerance. During terminal stance, the trunk remains upright and counter-rotates opposite the pelvis. The pelvis reaches maximum backward rotation on the stance side. Gluteus medius remains active but begins to quiet while the back extensors reduce activity. Now the next phase is pre-swing, also known as toe off. The trunk may lean slightly forward. The pelvis begins forward rotation on the swing side with slight ipsilateral drop. Rectus abdominis controls forward trunk motion while stabilizers reduce activity. Excessive forward lean here often reflects weakness elsewhere. an initial swing, the trunk remains upright and controlled. The pelvis continues forward rotation with slight elevation on the swing side. The ipsilateral abdominals assist with limb advancement, and the contralateral erector spinae stabilize. All right, now during mid-swing, the trunk remains upright and stable. The pelvis approaches neutral or slight forward rotation. The abdominals maintain alignment while gluteus medius prepares for the next contact. Now in terminal swing, the trunk prepares for weight acceptance. The pelvis rotates forward to position the limb for heel strike. The erector spinae and abdominals stabilize the trunk, and the gluteus medius pre-activates. Again, now remembering, good gait is proactive, not reactive. This concludes part 2 of the pelvis and trunk lecture. We'll go into part 3. Please email me if you have any questions.